What's the meaning of box lunch? Box lunch. Box lunch.
Box lunch. Box lunch. Box lunch refers to a meal that is packed in a small container or box and usually eaten on the go. This type of meal is convenient for people who are traveling, working outside of the home, or have limited access to food options. The contents of a box lunch can vary depending on the culture or region, but often include a sandwich, vegetable or fruit, snack, and beverage. In some instances, box lunches may be pre-packaged and sold at convenience stores or restaurants. Overall, the term box lunch describes a portable and self-contained meal option.